Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 online learning websites. With the rise of e-learning, there are now countless websites offering courses and certification programs. We have put together a list of the top 10 online learning websites that offer high-quality courses, expert instructors, and valuable certifications. Udemy is one of the most popular online learning platforms, offering a wide range of courses from programming and data science to photography and personal development. With over 155,000 courses available, Udemy is a great option for anyone looking to learn a new skill or advance their career. Coursera offers courses from some of the world's top universities, including Yale, Stanford, and Princeton. The platform also offers certification programs and specializations. With over 4,000 courses available, Coursera is a great option for anyone looking to gain knowledge in a specific subject. edX is a non-profit platform founded by Harvard and MIT, offering a wide range of courses from top universities and institutions around the world. With over 2,500 courses available, edX is a great option for anyone looking to gain knowledge in a specific subject. LinkedIn Learning offers courses and video tutorials on a wide range of topics, including business, technology, and creative skills. It is also integrated with LinkedIn, making it easy to showcase your skills. With over 16,000 courses available, LinkedIn Learning is a great option for anyone looking to enhance their professional skills. Skillshare offers a wide range of creative and business courses, including design, photography, marketing, and entrepreneurship. The platform also offers projects and assignments to help you apply your skills. With over 30,000 courses available, Skillshare is a great option for anyone looking to learn a new creative or business skill. Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a non-profit organization that offers free online courses and resources on a wide range of subjects, including math, science, humanities, and more. With over 10,000 videos available, Khan Academy is a great option for anyone looking to learn at their own pace. Codecademy. Codecademy offers courses on coding and programming languages, including Python, Java, and Ruby. The platform offers interactive coding exercises and projects to help you apply your skills. With over 12 million learners worldwide, Codecademy is a great option for anyone looking to learn a new coding language. FutureLearn. FutureLearn offers courses from top universities and institutions on a wide range of topics, including business, science, and technology. The platform also offers certification programs and degrees. With over 13 million learners worldwide, FutureLearn is a great option for anyone looking to gain knowledge in a specific subject. Pluralsight. Pluralsight offers courses and learning paths on technology and creative skills, including software development, data science, and design. With over 7,000 courses available, Pluralsight is a great option for anyone looking to gain knowledge in a specific technology or creative field. Treehouse. Treehouse offers courses on web development, programming, and design with a focus on project-based learning and real-world applications. With over 1,000 courses available, Treehouse is a great option for anyone looking to learn a new technology or creative skill. That concludes our video on the top 10 online learning websites. Whether you are looking to learn a new skill, enhance your professional skills, or gain knowledge in a specific subject, these websites offer valuable courses and certification programs. Thank you for watching and happy learning.